It looks like Samsung is making some intriguing decisions this time around as we finally get our first peek at the Galaxy S25 Ultra's probable design. As you may have seen from following my S25 Ultra updates, Samsung has made several design adjustments this time around. More specifically, the corners of the S25 Ultra are becoming rounder. The S25 Ultra resolves the sharp edges of the S24 Ultra while maintaining the distinctive boxy Galaxy Note feel. Interestingly, with thinner and more equal bezels, it looks more like the standard Galaxy Note 20 from 4 years ago than the Note 7 that was making waves. In this side-by-side comparison of the S25 Ultra and S24 Ultra, you can see that the former has a narrower frame and thinner bezels. With the forthcoming iPhone 16 Pro Max, Apple is also anticipated to reduce the bezels, aiming for the thinnest bezel ever seen on a smartphone. Nonetheless, as you can see from this image comparing the iPhone 16 Pro Max and the S25 Ultra side by side, the S25 Ultra has somewhat smaller bezels than the iPhone. It looks like the S25 Ultra will soon take the record of having the thinnest smartphone bezels. Naturally, this is only a render and not the official version. However, when it comes to Samsung leaks, Ice Universe is essentially accurate. In addition, he accurately represented the S24 Ultra long before it was publicly disclosed. All in all, I'm happy with how the S25 Ultra's design is developing. I love boxy phone designs, so I'm glad the S25 Ultra keeps the classic Galaxy Note aesthetic. The iPhone 16 Pro Max will also have the same screen size this year. Thus it looks like Samsung is enlarging the S25 Ultra's display to 6.9 inches. Next up, the S25 Ultra powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 is said to have GPU interpolation technology, which is a really amazing feature. Put simply, this implies that the AI will assist in improving the visuals in your games by sharpening them. When a game's graphics aren't as clear as you would like, artificial intelligence, AI, intervenes to enhance them by adding features that it deems appropriate. It is essentially an AI upscaling for video games. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.